Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this cute and glamorous nail art design that is really easy to create. And plus, you don't need a lot of nail art supplies to make this design. But before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, hi there, welcome. I post easy DIY nail art designs and nail polish review videos every week. So if you like watching or creating nail art designs at home, then please do keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly begin with this nail art design. For this design, I am going to be using only 3 nail polishes. One in this beautiful orange shade. It's kind of orange and coral shade from Maybelline. I love this nail polish for its color, but as you can see, its consistency is really sheer and it's quite difficult to use it for nail art designs. Later in the video, I'll share a tip to how to use these kind of sheer nail polishes for your nail art designs. But anyway, this nail polish is called Keep Up the Flame. Then I'm also going to be using this NYB beach color nail polish. It's called Pancake. How apt the name is, it really looks like a pancake batter. But anyway, it's a really nice color to use as a base for any kind of nail art, and you must have it in your collection if you love making nail art designs. Then I'm also going to be using this beautiful glitter nail polish from Maybelline again. I'm a huge fan of Maybelline nail polishes. This is a really beautiful muted gold kind of nail polish, and it has small tiny glitter particles, as well as it has some chunky glitter as well. All that glitters is the name of this nail polish, and it's absolutely stunning and turns any nail art design into a glamorous one. Then I have painted my nails in this neutral beige kind of shade as the base. Now as you can see, this orange nail polish was quite jelly like and very thin in consistency. And this happened because I bought this nail polish online, and I usually prefer to buy my polishes online because you get great deals and on sales online on various websites like Nykaa or purple.com, etc. But the problem comes when you purchase a nail polish and when they arrive, only then you come to know about the consistency or the opacity of that nail polish. And quite a lot it happens that you like the color, you purchase it, and once it arrives, then you come to know that it's really sheer and you really can't use it quite often. So let me quickly share a quick tip with you guys to use these kind of nail polishes. So if you end up getting some neon color nail polishes, always use a white base if they are really sheer. And if you have your white base and then you use your neon polishes on top of it, then your neon colors are going to really pop and you won't need a lot of coats for them to work. If you buy some medium kind of shades like orange, pink or light blue color, and again they turn up to be really sheer and they are not really opaque, then use a beige kind of shade like this one as your base, and then use the jelly like polishes that you got over it, and they are going to work absolutely fine in just 1 or max 2 coats. So that was just a side note, a quick tip that I use if I end up getting sheer nail polishes. Coming back to this nail art, I have painted my ring finger nail with this gorgeous glitter nail polish from Maybelline. I always keep a backup of this nail polish, and you would have seen me using this nail polish in lots of my videos because I just love it, and it just adds that touch of glam to each of my nail arts. So after painting my ring finger with this beautiful glitter nail polish, I am now going to paint the second coat of this beige nail polish on my middle finger as well as my index fingernail to make them look completely opaque. It is always a good idea to have this kind of neutral beige or natural kind of shade in your collection if you like making florals or any kind of nail art really, because this offers as a clean natural base for any colorful nail art to pop nicely. And this one is really a good one and from NYBay to start with, because it's quite affordable and goes really opaque in just 2 coats as you can see here, and also it applies really smoothly. So I also keep a backup of this one because I quite use it a lot in various nail art designs of mine. I'll link a few of my nail art designs in the description box for you, so you can have a look how to use this kind of beige natural shade for making designs. So here's our base ready. I have painted my pinky as well as thumb in orange color and ring finger in the glitter nail polish in gold, and both of my index as well as middle fingernail in this beige nail polish for the nail art design. Now I'm going to use this small plastic sheet to pour the drop of my nail polish. I always keep these kind of small plastic packaging that comes with jewelry and things like that for this purpose, because it's easy, you don't have to clean up later on, you can just trash them. Then I'm going to use a dotting tool, or you can even use a toothpick for creating this dotticure design today. You can use the back side of the toothpick. I'm using a really big chunky dotting tool almost similar to the back side of the toothpick to make really big dots this time. And then as always I start making dotting designs right from the center of my nail. I make a row of dots first in the middle and then start filling up from one side of the nail and then on the other side of the nail. I feel like making dots in this order helps me keep them equally spaced and the pattern looks really nice at the end. Another tip to make your dotticure designs look really natural is to try and paint a couple of dots in half of the size over the edges, like see I'm doing over here. So I'll paint 1 or 2 dots on the edge which are not full in size. As you can see, they are only half, and that really makes it look like a printed pattern. And there, the design is already complete. Look how cute it looks. Dotticure designs anyway make any nail art design look so cute, and the gold touch makes it look glamorous as well. Now a quick tip: you can switch this design as per your liking or to match your outfit as well. Let me tell you how. So for example, if you're going to be wearing a navy dress with a gold touch in it for any party or function, you can switch this orange color to navy. So paint your pinky and thumb in navy base, your ring finger in same gold color, and then make the dotticure design over index finger as well as the middle finger with the navy dots. So it will match your outfit perfectly. There you have it, a cute, simple but glamorous design for any kind of simple function, party or even prom. Last but not least, don't forget to apply a good layer of top coat to protect your manicure and make it look super glossy. And by the way, if you like nail art design on my right hand, those are the gel nails, so let me know in the comment section below. I'll try and make a video out of it. And there, a simple cute design which is really easy and beginner friendly. I hope you will give it a try. If you feel inspired and you wish to give it a try, then do comment down below and let me know how it goes. And as always, if you have any questions, comments or any video requests, then don't forget to write them down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you are staying safe and happy inside your home. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Do check out my previous haul video in which I share the swatches of 15 brand new nail polishes I recently got from purplle.com. Click on this box to play the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's totally free. You can just click on red button to subscribe, and also share my videos and channel with your friends and family who also love to watch easy DIY nail art ideas as well as nail polish swatch videos. Thank you.